Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create automations on your Activecampaign tool. So let's get right into it. Now, automations are used to help you with some tedious processes in regards to work. For example, responding to emails or just sending cold emails in general, sending newsletters, etc., etc. The way you set one up is you go into automations, go into automations again, and click create an automation in the top right if you have one. If you don't, if it's an empty list, the create an automation button will be somewhere here, but pretty much just click on create an automation, and that's going to take you to the automation creation screen. Now here you need to select a template, which you can select. I'll just select start from scratch. However, these other ones, I'm pretty sure most of them are free, and they will tell you which industry they're best suited for. So you have that help if you want to. You can sort them by industry and by language. However, I'll just start from scratch, click continue, and now it's going to open up the editor. Once that opens up, you can set everything up. So let's just see, there we go. It's going to ask you to select a trigger. So once you select one, for example, clicks a link in an email, for example, campaign, and select any email. I'll select a test email, select a link, any link, runs once, and then click save. And now we have our trigger. And from the trigger, we need a action that's going to take place. So for example, contact, subscribe. As an example, you can select whatever you want. Then I'll select the master contact list, click save. And now we have our action. You can add other actions if you want to, but that is pretty much it. Now that we have set this up, just click on active to make the automation go active. And that's all you need to do. Now we have our set up automation and everything's done. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.